na niguo gugitigirira ati a Kenya ni
In the division of National Laboratory Services, the person heading that division is a non-medical laboratory officer. This is a technical division, a division that is supposed to advise the country on matters medical laboratory. How then do you expect somebody who is not qualified medical laboratory to go and give advice on matters medical laboratory? It is an injustice not to the medical laboratory workers, but even to the people of Kenya, the consumers of medical laboratory services.
Na amo aito thutha wa gwitikanira tu sign recognition agreement ri matitikirite kuga ni twa sign metikira o matusainire agreement mene matwetikira kiria mekite thirikari ri maherete mushara hara ithue ru mweri wa April na May tutionete payslip tutionete mushara thaici tuire mushara tuhana uguo tuhana na tukiruta wira.
So we are telling our members that we are not going to go back to work unless we have had a discussion, we have a well-structured return to work formula and our recognition agreement signed as an irreducible minimum, because it does not need any resources to sign a recognition agreement. What it needs is a pen and a paper and a goodwill.